How to buy S&P 500 index fund on Webull. First, download Webull application from Google Play Store or App Store. Then log into your account with email or phone number. We're going to click right here on recurring investment and just go through the steps. Then search VOO and click on it. You can read it from here and then click on the blue Next button. At this point, you're going to choose the investment amount that you want to put in, and the minimum recurring investment here is $5.
Click on OK.
And you now have the option to choose your payment method. By default, it's set to Webull buying power. You have the option to choose whether you're doing a fixed amount or a dynamic amount. You can also choose frequency. Then click on Next. Then enter your passcode. That's it. Thanks for watching.